say hello.
This is a thunderstorm warning. Let's go. Sound the siren.
Take it with you. Just a little.
So yeah, that is what the Wheeling WPS warning tone sounds like. At least it doesn't actually sound like it. I mean, I can imagine how I'm close enough that I can still hear the sirens. Weird. The noise, it was coming from that direction when the siren is towards that direction, isn't it? Maybe it actually don't work. Oh wait, that can't be possible because it went off of the test. It was coming from that direction, I swear. Well, at least it sounded like it. But over there's the way it actually is. I don't know if you can hear, but there's a little bit of thunder. I guess the fireworks are gonna get rained out. I was gonna film them for you guys if I could, but it's okay. Bye. See you if there's another warning or for another vlog or anything. Bye. Peace out. I'm going to the shelter. Okay, I'm in the shelter now. And yeah, we don't actually have a legit shelter. The most we've got is a crawl space. I just use my central hallway as a shelter. That's where I go when we get put under the weather warnings. And I guess I'll see you next time and share with your friends. Peace out.